Hey guys, so let's quickly compare the specs of the Blackview A96 with the A200 Pro. In this video, we're going to point out the reasons why the A200 Pro is better than the A96. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go guys, as you can see, the A200 Pro is a much more better device, but the A96 is also a very nice budget phone. Both devices are powered by the Helio G99, which means both devices would perform similarly. But the Blackview A200 Pro is a much more better device in my opinion because of its curved display. It has a much more better main camera, which is a 108MP, while the Blackview A96 has a 48MP primary sensor. So these are the main reasons why, in my opinion, the A200 Pro is a better device. You'll be getting a device with a curved display, an AMOLED panel, a 120Hz refresh rate, a 108MP primary sensor, and so on like that. But the A96 is also a very nice device, especially for its price. It's very cheap. I think just $169, $170, that's its price, and it's a lot cheaper than the Blackview A200 Pro. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Which of the two devices do you think is best? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.